Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see introduction to electronics and communication subject with respect to this important questions and examinations we will see. So we'll see from the model number 1 and we'll see many papers, question papers. So started with 2023. Okay. So I am focusing on only model number 1. So in the model number 1, DC power supply. There may be a question on DC power supply and there may be a question on full wave rectifier, that may be center tap or that may be bridge full wave rectifier. Okay, you can see whatever the question paper, this will be there. Along with this, one feedback amplifier question will be there, that is negative feedback amplifier question. So overall, this what I'm doing is only for the passing. So the students who are very much interested to score, so don't skip this video and go for the and go and read your textbook or the notes, whatever it is. Okay, this is only for passing package. Let's see now. Model number 1, you should prepare with DC power supply, full wave rectifier, negative feedback amplifier. Okay, fourth one, I may give the choice Zener diode. Based on this, problem will come or the line and the road regulations will come. So if you read these 4 questions, definitely you can answer for 20 marks. Okay, I am praying about only theory, so you can, I am just skipping the problem here. So out of 20, assume that probably you may get 15. Okay, so be thorough with the 2 or 3 models so that you will get it. Next, model number 3 and 4, sorry, model number 2, in that we'll see question number 3 and 4. So it is with respect to the oscillators. In that oscillator, Wien bridge oscillator, and here amplifier parameters, open loop voltage gain, output resistance, slew rate. Okay, so they may be giving the op-amp question here. So that is very much sure, one op-amp question they will give. Okay, next is oscillator they will give. So in that, Wien bridge oscillator or RC phase shift oscillator they will give, and one more is very important, that is single state unstable oscillator they will give. So these 3 questions, along with that, you should prepare for different applications of op-amp, integrator and differentiator, right? So these 4 questions you should prepare: op-amp, ideal characteristics of op-amp, Wien bridge oscillator, right? Then the different op-amp applications like differentiator, integrator, single stage, a stable multivibrator. So if you study this, definitely you are going to get minimum 15. So model number 1 15 and model number 2 15. So go for the model number 3. So here the model number 3, okay, if you go 5 and 6, so here this is the model which will trouble you. So this model will look like very easy, but in the examination many students will do the mistakes doing the conversion. So this is a very easiest model, but the students will get confused or they may unable to solve this. Okay, so from this I will give only one question, that is full adder using 2 half adders and OR gate or full adder question is very important in the model number 3. Okay, next I will go to model number 4. Here 7 and 8. So it's a embedded system. Okay, classification of embedded system, define embedded system and classification, one problem. Then 7 segment display, one more. Okay, and difference between RISC and CISC is very important. Okay, so I will mention this as what is a 7 segment display, define embedded system and classification, and RISC and CISC. These are the 3 questions you'll prefer in the model 4. Model 5 is about the block diagram, basic block diagram, very important question. Block diagram, right? Then AM and FM, about ASK, FSK and PSK. Okay, so these 3 play a major role in these questions. Okay, so like this you can see any question paper. So you are having n number of, I will go for 2024. Okay, you can see now So whatever the questions which I told now, the same set will be there. Full wave rectifier, right? Negative feedback amplifier, right? So with respect to Zener diode, load and line regulations will be there, right? Then if we go for third and fourth, single stage stable ideal op-amp characteristics, right? Next, differentiator integrator. Like on oscillations, we'll be having many questions. So Bar-Carson criteria will come into the picture here. On oscillations, you should see this Bar-Carson criteria as one more question. About fifth and sixth is again many students will do the mistakes here, even though it look like very easy. So in this you can choose fifth, sixth C about full adder. That is why I have given only one question in that module. Then 7 and 8, you can just look at now. 7 segment LED, working operation of LED, not 7 segment LED. Classification of embedded system. Okay, so difference between RISC and CISC, MUP and MUC. One more question. Okay, so this is there. Okay, then go to the last 9th and 10th. ASK, FSK, PSK. Okay, then here this is out of topic, don't consider this. So I want to add one question at the last here in the model number 5, that is radio wave propagation. So don't forget this radio wave propagation in the model number 5. If you studied this, you can see any number of question papers, the same pattern will be there. So this is for the passing package, not for the scoring purpose. I have not included any problem here. Okay, students, those who want to score, so you just skip this video, don't follow this video, and refer your textbooks or the notes. The students who want to just clear the subjects, just go through this video. Thank you.